GWC-C-2500 steel mesh welder developed and produced by Yizhou Technology is a welding machine that welds steel bars into mesh. The machine is composed of 10 main parts, such as payoff parts, longitudinal reinforcement detection parts, core straightening parts, traction rolling parts, storage rack, step feeding parts, welding parts, blanking parts, cutting parts, flipping and stacking parts. The welding speed is 85 pieces/min. The maximum length of the transverse bar is 2,500 millimeters. The distance between the bars is adjustable, and the length of the welded mesh is up to 6,000 millimeters, which is suitable for the welding of 3.5 to 8 millimeters round steel and rebar. The feeding method is the feeding of the line wire coil, and the feeding of the cross wire is per cut bar. The machine innovatively adopts the turning mesh stacking mechanism, which makes the steel mesh stacking more orderly than the traditional stacking mode, and is convenient for the transfer loading and unloading in the later stage. The whole machine is controlled by Man-Machine Interface Plus PLC programming controller, and the complete production line only needs 1 to 2 people to operate the machine. And the automation is greatly improved compared with the past. The steel mesh produced by this model is widely used in steel structure prefabricated